Hey everyone, I have some amazing news. So, we just got approved for the only person in the industry that's allowed to do this. We are able to put your logo on a Ruthie Belle product. Okay, let me back up. So, we sell a lash serum that was made in the United States, and I got a phone call a couple weeks ago letting us know that the product would be discontinued. So I had to go back to the drawing board because I know how much you guys love the serum and love to put your logo on the serums and sell them to your clients. So I had to go back to the drawing board, and I'm thinking, where can I get a serum that's going to be comparable to the one that we were selling? I don't want to get it from China. I don't know what I'm getting. I didn't know what to do. So I called Ruthie Belle, and I asked Ruthie, I said, Ruthie, how would you feel about me using your product, but being able to put other people's logo on it? And she said yes. She didn't even hesitate. I'm so excited to let you guys know that we will now be offering Ruthie Belle Serum with your logo. Super simple, the process, same as all of our other custom products. You'll be able to jump on our website, pick a template for your serum, add your logo, ask for a proof if you'd like one, and then we'll have that to you within 7 to 10 business days. Sit back and relax. So if you want to collaborate with Beyoutiful Wandz and Ruthie Belle and put your logo on this amazing product, go ahead and head over to Beyoutiful Wandz. This has been another episode of Lash Executives, where we give you tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell. Thank you, and stay beautiful.